Weekend na! It's time to hang out with your friends by playing billiards, ping pong, beer pong, darts, magkaraoke, uminom ng iced cold beers at cocktails, at kumain ng masasarap na mga pagkain sa Dumaguete City. Saan nga ba to? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan! Maayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Dumaguete. The Thirsty Dog is located at Natasha Homes, Barangay Banilad, Dumaguete City. It is 4 kilometers away south of Port of Dumaguete and around 15 minutes travel time. If naghahanap kayo ng venue to celebrate birthdays or company parties, you can rent exclusively their air-conditioned room for 500 pesos per hour with free use of billiards and karaoke. While inside, you can order their delicious food such as baby back ribs for 399 pesos, chicken cordon bleu for 369 pesos, giant beef burger for 349 pesos, sizzling sisig for 249 pesos, frozen margarita at 179 pesos, and my favorite, tequila sunrise for 149 pesos. Meron din silang iced cold beers, Red Horse Beer at San Miguel Grande for 179 pesos, and San Mig Light and other small beers for 79 pesos. If gusto nyo namang maglaro sa outdoor area, you can rent these: billiards for 140 pesos per hour, ping pong for 140 pesos per hour, darts 60 pesos per hour, free lang ito kung meron kayong sariling pins, beer pong for free, maligo sa swimming pool for 100 per person, at video game for 200 pesos per hour kapag hindi nyo nirentahan exclusively yung air-conditioned room. By the way, pet-friendly sila, so you can bring in your pet sa outdoor area nila. Just be sure to be responsible pet owners. Again, this is J Perpetual Kid, and we explored the perfect sports bar for you and your barkada sa Dumaguete City, The Thirsty Dog. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!